If you are interested in starting a carpet cleaning business using a traditional truck mount, this is not the video to watch. There are some other guys and companies out there that use truck mounts, CRB machines, which are counter rotating brush machines, and the like. There are even some that teach you to start without a truck mount and eventually move up to or into a truck mount. We are not that kind of business. Our cleaning process is not a truck mount, but it is a low moisture cleaning process that does not involve soaps, shampoos, nor detergents. The machine you see in these videos is our primary piece of equipment. There is a time and a place for traditional truck mount, but the work we want to go after is the fun, easy, profitable stuff. We have been cleaning carpet without a truck mount since 2004, and we believe it is more profitable, easier, and a lot more fun. Our course can teach you how to make $100 or more an hour cleaning carpet without the expense or maintenance of a truck mount. You probably work really hard for someone else. Wouldn't you rather work for you? Or maybe you're tired of traffic. Traffic. Or maybe it's the traditional 9 to 5 that has worn itself out. How nice would it be for you to set your own schedule, to work if and when you want to work? Full-time pay, part-time work. We can teach you how. That's right. With a carpet cleaning business, as long as you can answer your calls, book your appointments, and even take payments, you can be anywhere in the world. And if you have employees, you don't even have to be there to do the work. You simply market your business, answer the calls, schedule the jobs, and your employee or employees get the actual work done. Don't get me wrong, you could also do the work, but have someone else do all the heavy lifting is much more preferable. People throughout the United States and even Canada have purchased our course. We teach you the carpet cleaning business so you too can work from home. There are a few businesses out there with as much flexibility and profitability as carpet cleaning. You make your own schedule and work when you want to work and make full-time pay working part-time. There are no franchise fees nor royalties. It's your business. You've done the work. You've made the money. You keep it. And at the end of the day, it's about freedom, flexibility, family, and keeping money in your pocket. The videos you're watching are from actual jobs that have been pre-treated with our non-soapy, non-foamy citrus cleaning solution. The cleaner does most of the work and oftentimes will neutralize spots as soon as they have been sprayed, so they disappear. Once everything has been pre-treated, we then use the machine seen here in these videos. It scrubs the carpet and activates the cleaner. We then finish up with a dry vacuum. It's a relatively simple 3-step process that we can teach you to do as well. However, as they say, the secret is in our sauce. We do sell our citrus cleaning solution by the case. Each gallon makes 10 gallons of ready-to-use cleaner. So you can make 40 gallons of ready-to-use cleaner with each case. It is a very effective, economical cleaner. There is a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase the cleaner, and there is also a link to purchase our carpet cleaning and floor care course. Although if you are a veteran or a first responder, please reach out to us directly. we have a special offer for you as a thank you for your service. You can also reach us directly at 770-652-0630 if you have any questions. You can continue to watch the video if you'd like, but these are just basically several videos of us cleaning different types of carpet after they've been pre-treated with a 175 machine. If you're interested in the business, please reach out to us. We can certainly help you get going and help you with the business. Again, 770-652-0630. Thanks for watching, and as always, be kind, take care. As you can see, the results from our cleaner are pretty amazing. It's not just the machine doing this work, it's actually our citrus-based cleaner. Lots of other products can be used on carpet, and we've tried lots of other things, but this product is what we found to be the most effective, most consistent, and the easiest to use. Again, we do sell it online. It's available in the link below. So if you're interested in starting a carpet cleaning business or purchasing our cleaner, please see the link below. Thank you. And now, as always, take care and be kind.